Airdopes 141. Hi, did you know that the boAt Airdopes 141 has sold over 20 lakhs units on Amazon since its launch? Let's take a closer look at this audio marvel. With an incredible 42 hours of playback time, including 6 hours of non-stop playtime for the earbuds, you can enjoy your music, podcasts and calls for days without needing to recharge. The earbuds are equipped with the ASAP charge feature, offering up to 75 minutes of playtime in just 5 minutes of charge, while the carry case comes with the Type-C interface. Say goodbye to muffled calls and hello to crystal clear conversations. Our ENx technology ensures that your voice calls sound impeccable, even in noisy environments. It's like having a noise-cancelling microphone right in your ear. For surety, hear yourself.
You can hear my voice even in a noisy environment without any background noise. That's the power of ENx technology working for you.
Gamers, get ready to level up your game with our beast mode for ultra low latency of just 80 milliseconds, ensuring that your audio syncs perfectly with your gameplay. No more lag, just pure gaming excitement. With 2 microphones, your voice will be picked up loud and clear, whether you're on a call or using voice commands. Worried about defects? Don't be. These earbuds come with a 1-year warranty from the date of purchase, protecting you against manufacturing defects. And last but not the least, these earbuds come in pure white, cider cyan and olive green colors. Choose the one that matches your personality. So to summarize, these earbuds offer low latency of 80 milliseconds, 42 hours of total playback time with fast charging, dual microphones featuring ENx Tech for environmental noise cancellation and clear calls, IPX4 water resistance, touch controls, Insta-Wake and Pair, Bluetooth version 5.0. So why wait? Grab your boAt Airdopes 141 today at Amazon.